How's it going, guys, and welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood, where we are here at Universal City Walk Hollywood. I'm joined today with...
Hi, I'm JP from JP 21.
There are a lot of fun things to see here today, a lot of cool stuff, a lot of updates, and we're going to start right here at City Walk. We're right behind us. Toothome's Chocolate Emporium has a lot to see, so let's go give it a look. And coming soon is Toothome's Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen. If you guys have never had this in Orlando, I highly recommend to visit. It is a chocolate factory. There are going to be some amazing little pluming with fog, little tubes here right in front of the restaurant here. And I might have just made up a word. I'm not sure if that's actually a word, but it came to mind and I used it for some reason. But a lot of updates, you'll see, you know, scrims and coverings and just things going on here. And we're still waiting. This has been a long time in the making now. We've been wanting this to come, but it looks like Toothsome's Chocolate Emporium is finally on the way. And one thing you're gonna wanna try is the chocolate bread. So I'm excited it's coming. I can't wait. And I think it's honestly gonna be one of the major restaurants here at City Walk. I think it's gonna be one of everyone's favorites when it finally opens. What do you think, JP? Is Toothome's gonna be like a fan favorite when it opens?
Well, it's definitely the main attraction here in City Walk. It has the big spires, the towers. It's gonna be a really cool sight to see in City Walk. It's gonna attract a lot of guests. So yeah, I'd say I think this might be the best restaurant here in City Walk.
For our first Halloween Horror Nights update of the day, and you can already see the tram going by right there. I'm not sure if we're gonna get any waves. Probably not, I'm not sure if they see us. But check out this facade right here. Looks fully fleshed out, at least to this point. Most of it seems to be pretty much wrapped up. Even the front facade here is looking pretty darn good. No official confirmation from the park just yet on what this maze is going to be. Only speculation at this point, and even that is still relatively up in the air. I do want to point out over here, though, these wells, like they're taken pretty much directly from the movie Nope. I'll include a clip of that as well, so this could be a part of Nope. Again, we are always speculating here at the end of the day, but that is an update from here. Then over here, there is another house as well, but this one we have a much harder angle to really do some decent speculation with the facade of the house going right here. And here is a very exciting update. Here is your look at the potential studio tour edition. Again, very, very, very much rumored. Nope. This is Jordan Peele's Nope, which is going to be hitting theaters very, very soon. And it is a horror, based film. And this is a little movie set, almost, of a western town that Universal has put together here on the back lot, right next to the War of the Worlds set, where you will also notice the old cabin has been relocated as the studio tour comes right on through. The cabin, of course, used to be, right over here in front of Falls Lake. So yeah, now the cabin is well over here, right next to the War of the Worlds set. You're exiting the set. You even see a VIP tour walking the War of the Worlds set right there. That's pretty darn cool. But the idea is that it's going to come out, and we are speculating that just as the tram is going around right now, instead of going around, it's going to go right there down through the center where you see that paved area right through the middle of this town. And hopefully we're going to see some sort of show, whether it's similar to the sets only doing something almost like Flash Flood or Earthquake or even the Jaws set, or if it's going to have real live actors is yet to be seen. I'm speculating that it's going to be very much along the lines of like Flash Flood and Earthquake, where the sets just do something cool every so often when the tram rides through. People are also speculating that this could be used, of course, for Halloween Horror Nights and the Terror Tram. But again, we will officially wait to get more confirmation from Universal Studios Hollywood before we make an official announcement here on this channel. So right now we're just speculating. What do you guys think it is? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious if you guys are excited for a potential Nope addition to the studio tour. Before we make our way into the park, we have to stop at the Universal Studio store, because to celebrate the opening, or soon to be opening, of the movie Minions, there's new merchandise. So check this out, guys. The first stand right when you make your way inside the store is full of new Minions merchandise. Check out these pins right here, getting ready for the opening of the movie. And for the first time in the park, Minions plush toys. Look at how cute this is. It's a little like egg-shaped Minion plush. It is so cute. I will probably be purchasing one for sure. And then the main attraction has to be this popcorn bucket up here. The absolutely glammed out Minion with the shades, by the way, which change colors and stuff when you turn them on here. Absolutely incredible. And the back opens up right there for your popcorn. So yes, this is a popcorn bucket with a really cool lanyard. And that's what's going on here. It's amazing. We're here. It's about to be such a fun day. Mr. JP is ready for another day of Universal Studios
So
Hollywood.
exciting to be here and to see the globe spin once again.
Yes,
It's been a while.
that is very true. The globe is spinning for the first time in a while. We were seeing things like it was all boxed up and things like that, so it's very cool to see it spinning and on the move again here at Universal Studios Hollywood. You gotta make your way down the red carpet, and today we have pulled out the yellow Croc slides with the Jaws socks. Impeccable. Give me a sheesh. That's your shoe check of the day. Shoe check alert, shoe check alert. A little bit of a long line today to enter the park. We'll be in there shortly, but a little bit of a wait as we make our way into the park. We're in the park for our first event of the day. We're trying to make it to Waterworld. We got 10 minutes to get there. You think we're gonna make it in time?
I think so.
I think we'll make it too. Excited to see Waterworld. So it's actually been a little bit for me. So I'm excited to go see Waterworld. We're gonna go do it soon. So see you guys over there. By the way, when you come in the park, outside of checking feature presentation and Super Nintendo World right there, you gotta make your way into the Universal Studios store because there are some must-see items inside right now. Walking in, you will notice immediately in the back, lined up, Back to the Future, Jaws, and E.T. And yes, there is a tribute store in Florida right now for retro merchandise, retro movies, Back to the Future, Jaws, E.T., celebrating Amblins. And we got most of the merchandise here at Universal Studios Hollywood as well. It's amazing. One day I will come through and give you guys a super detailed look at the prices, all of the items in here, but to just give you guys an idea at the extent. They even have decks, hoverboard, skateboard decks from the hundreds in here. Like, it's insane, like the amount of stuff they have. It's so good. This Back to the Future merchandise here, they have stuff from Roosevelt's, this Out of Time, the hundreds hoodie here, all of the Jaws stuff, again, more, I believe it's Roosevelt's. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, please excuse me. But the swim trunks, the shirt here, the little plush sharks right there, Jaws cups and mugs. Again, you have a little snow globe, just completely cool. All honestly basically stemming from that tribute store. It feels like in Orlando, it feels like they were just nice to Hollywood and gave us a chance at that same merchandise, since they were making so many cool things for that tribute store. And thankfully we got a lot of it. Like, look at how awesome this stuff is, guys. I'm obsessed with it. I love this retro ET shirt right here, along with some of the Back to the Future stuff. Like, there's some Back to the Future stuff that I absolutely need, including this print right here from the hundreds with so many cool things from the movie, from the speaker to the Cafe 80s, from the DeLorean to the little Jaws hologram, the epic Marty and Doc first time watching the time machine go back in time. So many cool things here on this print. And by the way, actually, this is the time machine going 1 minute into the future, I believe, or 2 minutes. It's one of the two. It's actually going into the future instead of back in time, but such a cool print here of a t-shirt. And if you don't know which movie to get, Universal did think of you, and they made combo merchandise that feature all three properties. We're talking about things like this little button up here, this t-shirt here. There's little shot glasses that have DeLoreans, E.T., and Jaws. I will be officially taking all of my tequila and vodka shots from this shot glass only. Nice little glass cups here. And again, that awesome button up here. It's so cool. And by the way, if you are interested in this button up, it is $70 here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Our update inside the Super Nintendo World store here in front of the park. This is feature presentation featuring Super Nintendo World, so a temporary store until Super Nintendo World opens in early 2023. A lot of new merchandise here to celebrate the official announcement of the Mario Kart attraction coming here. You'll notice all of these decals. Look at how cool these decals are, guys. These can go on your car, they can go on your computer. Of course, you can do whatever you want with a decal. These little like signs here that of course you could hang up in your room. The Bullet Bill speed trial. There's so many cool things, guys. Check this out. Look at these little, wow, these pins? These gotta be pins, right? Yes, super cool. Mario Kart pins. Let's see how much these are. These are $19, by the way, guys, these pins, and they are excluded from all discounts. So you gotta remember that with most of the merchandise that you're finding in here. But looks like some little like shorts or something here. Little, I don't know if it's like a luggage tag or whatever this is. I'll let you guys tell me in the chat what this is. But again, look at these signs. No shells. Looks like we have, are these pajama pants? No way. Okay, Mario Kart pajama pants, guys. Will I be purchasing these? The answer is absolutely yes, because I need Mario Kart pajama pants, and that's gonna cost me $30. So I'll be coming back in to grab that. Look at these shirts. These shirts are so darn cool. Looks like the youth shirts down here. A nice new backpack. Check out the backpack here. Isn't that backpack sweet? Look at how cool it is. I love how this is like inspired by like, you know, like an airplane, like seatbelt. Looks like Really cool design there on the backpack. I love that. And of course, I mean, there are cars like this, like high-speed cars, so it does make sense for Mario Kart as well. But look at these signs. Mario Kart's 92, again, the shell one, and the t-shirt that I'll probably be picking up is this one right here, the Mario Kart 92 t-shirt. It's $35. I don't see a Universal Studios logo on it, but on the tag, it does say Super Nintendo World. It says Universal Studios. It's not specific to Hollywood, so it's just a generic Super Nintendo World shirt. So I am still waiting for Universal Studios Hollywood exclusive merchandise. Hopefully that comes soon. We'll see. So far, nothing too much just yet. Right here next to Mel's Diner, there is a Horror Nights house that we are always used to being right here, and that is no different this year. There will be a Horror Nights here. There will be a Horror Nights house here this year, 2022. The rumor is La Lorena. I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly. Everybody says this facade just looks exactly like it, so that's what they're saying it is. Again, speculation. The park has not confirmed that, but we can always speculate and give our best guess, right? So that's what's going on here. That's what we think is going on, and here is your official facade update at Universal Studios Hollywood. Looking down at the lower lot, we have another Halloween Horror Nights update here. We believe this is the Legends Collide featuring Dracula, Mummy, and the Wolfman. We believe that this is it right here because look, right here it looks like you can see Dracula almost spelled backwards on that facade. So we think, of course, this is the Dracula one. So pretty darn cool. This is a typical Mummy HHN house that we always see go right here. We've seen things like, you know, Killer Clowns from Outer Space be in this location in the past. So very, very cool, and looking forward to Legends Collide right here on the lower lot.
Alrighty, folks, I need you to take off your hats. Know that the boat is wet, so be careful getting on. Store any loose items on the ground, etc., etc., etc. Alrighty, folks, are you ready? Yeah! I can't hear you. Are you ready? Yeah!
All right, guys, here is your Super Nintendo World update today. A lot looks the same with Mount Beanpole in terms of theming, but one little update is right here in Bowser's Castle. There's a logo right there at the top, so that's pretty darn cool, right? Construction is moving right along, and on the entrance right here, right where the warp pipe green little tube is going to be right there at the entrance, it's covered. It's all covered up right now, so that's interesting. It must be getting very, very close to being fully fleshed out and themed. But what do you think, guys? Super Nintendo World's coming soon now, 2023, according to the park. So I'm excited to see this. I hope you guys are too. And yes, this is a scenic view. It's hard to come to Universal Studios Hollywood and not take in the view going up the Starway. In my opinion, the best view of any theme park in the world. It has to be, right? Like, come on. What other park gives you a view of a working movie studio, a golf course by the golf course, right? But these beautiful mountains and just the view of this beautiful Los Angeles scape. I love it. We're on the tram.
We'll keep you safe. We're just gonna hide behind these massive barrels of gasoline for your safety. Everybody knows sharks are afraid of barrels.
Sharks are afraid of barrels?
Yeah.
Is that true?
He's got the beard.
Oh!
He's lying. That's a good one. So he's lying.
Cat.
Shark's a pyromaniac.
All right, you gotta tell them your Eggman joke. What's your Eggman joke?
Why was Dr. Eggman rich?
Why was he rich?
Yes.
Why is he rich?
Because he wanted to get a spoiled egg.
Oh my god. Joke of the day, guys. Joke of the day. Evan?
You have a cat one, so you're lying.
Oh my god. They like roasted out here or something, the tram, by just like kids in the tram. So. How do you feel about that?
He's gonna be a comedian.
Yeah, he's definitely gonna be a comedian. That said, he watches the channel, so I had to put his joke in the vlog, right? Why not? But guys, we do want to see what that Nope set looks like that I showed you guys earlier in the vlog. We want to see what it looks like from the studio tour perspective. So we're going to be going over there soon, and we're going to take a look at what Nope looks like, or what we think is Nope, right? It's still speculation, but we're going to take a look at what Nope potentially looks like from the studio tour perspective.
The emergency cord if you need assistance and remain seated at all times. Now, we saw a lot of different Steven Spielberg films throughout the course of today's tour. Jaws, Jurassic Park.
There's the entryway right there where we are speculating we'd be driving in. What do you guys think from this angle?
He's just 20 years old, directing episodes of television.
JP and I stopped in for a little 3 broomsticks dinner today. I just polished my chicken tenders here, but he is going for the ribs. Looking good. All right, guys, that's gonna do it from Universal Studios Hollywood. I'm Dustin.
I'm JP.
That's JP. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.